Hello everybody, what it is, everybody, what it is. I hope you all are having a Guten Tag kind of day, because I know I am. We are doing another tutorial for this channel. Now, once again, I'm doing something a little bit different. I did this look back in 2016, 2017 on my Instagram, so I thought that I would come ahead and revisit this look and do it again. Alright, so let's anchor down and get crazy. Alright, so we went ahead and did our eyebrows and foundation and primer. So now we will go ahead and start contouring before we go towards the eyes. Now I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Palette, Pro Palette I mean. And we're going to do things just a little bit differently. We're going to use this color first. Put it as high as possible. Just kind of bump it in like that. Pull it down a little bit. Do that to the other side. And now we're going to use this darker color and add more contrast. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and contour the nose. Alright, we're going to use just another darker color on the nose. Alright, so now that we're done with the contouring, we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw the outline of the eye and then color it in. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick shade Weirdo for that. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the eyeliner from Benefit Cosmetics called Roller Liner, just to make the edges just a tad bit sharper. Alright, so now that we got the eyeliner done, we are going to go ahead and use some eyeshadow on the eyes, obviously. We're going to use the Bloodlust eyeshadow palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and we'll go ahead and start putting the eyeshadow right in this area. The first color that we're going to use is this purple shade called Blood Queen. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create a cut crease on the eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Alright, now I'm going into the shade color Take the Crown, right there. Alright, now I'm going on with the shade Deviant, right there, on the inner corners. All right, now we're just gonna blend this area out just a little bit more. All right, so now we're going to do the eyeliner in the eye area right here just to connect all of this together. Okay, so now we're gonna go on the under eye with the same color Blood Queen right there. All right, so we're gonna start highlighting. We're gonna use the Moonchild highlighting palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna do it on the cheeks and we're gonna do it somewhere on the eyes. All right, so we're gonna go over these dark lines again with the shade color Executioner right here, just to give it more sparkle. All right, now we're gonna put on lipstick, and the lipstick shade we're gonna use from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is I'm Royalty. And we're gonna add some Take the Crown on the lips for some highlighter on it. All right, so we're doing the lashes. We are gonna go in with our Benefit Roller Lash right here. All right, so I'm gonna put on some false lashes, put on a different shirt, and I'll be right back. All right, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this with me. I had a whole lot of fun doing this. I hope you had fun watching. Be sure to leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and my Instagram will be in the description box below. So until next time, sail on, beauties, sail on.